everyone, it's Tempting Mars, and today we have the Lana Shoulder Bag 19 from Coach. I have not opened it, I promise you. This is the bagging they gave me. They didn't give me that nice little silk bag. This bag is currently going for $360, and I got it in the color black. Let's unbox it. First impressions, this does not look like a nice way to send a bag. It is what it is, but again, like, I expect the best from Coach, and it's weird how some of the other bags in the shipment that I received, they all have a nice bag, but this one just comes in this. Okay. This is so small and so cute. It's like a little baby. Look at how small. Guys, look at this. Like, I have pretty small hands, and this is the size of that. I find the style of it so weird. The Lana bags are so weird to me because you have this circular hole, which I don't know what to make sense of it. I don't know. And it's definitely a very different shape. Like, it's not necessarily square. I do like that it has a little C here, and I like that it's gold. Obviously, it looks best with the gold. Let's flip it over, and behind you don't have that little C. Love that. It's interesting how this is very flexible. I was expecting this to be stiff, but I actually do like the flexibility better. So there are 3 compartments, one on the left, one on the right, and one in the middle. Now the middle is really hard to get into, which would be good to put all of your special items in there, such as credit cards. There is a really nice smooth leather feeling on the inside as opposed to the outside where it's obviously that regular Coach bag texture, but this is very nice and smooth on the inside, and I love that kind of orangey brown color. Now, what I will say about it is, in terms of the style, I don't know if this is the style for me personally, just because of this circular stiffness here. Now, again, that is the style of the bag, so some people are going to absolutely love it. Some people are going to hate it. For me, it's just not my thing, but again, when we try it on, we are going to see what it looks like fully. In terms of having this shoulder strap on with it, it might not be for me. I mean, without the shoulder strap and me holding onto it like this, that's cute. That's very cute. And again, the little light brown peeking through. Now you guys, like, very much, as I've said for some of these other bags, you can only fit the essentials. With this one, I genuinely mean only the essentials. That is how small this is meant to be. This is meant to be important style piece, not meant to be something necessarily fully useful. You know what I mean? It's not like a backpack. It's not like one of those purses that you take everywhere, unless all you needed was, you know, your credit card and your phone, which actually is me sometimes. All I take is my credit card, my phone, my driver's license. Boom. Here are the measurements, materials, handle, strap, features. Okay, and here are the editor's notes. A wardrobe hero for every day, Lana combines easy organization with sophisticated good looks. The Compact 19 is crafted of polished pebble leather detailed with our signature hardware. A sleek design, the bag has a center slip compartment and 2 open compartments for easy organization. Carry by hand or wear with the gleaming chain crossbody strap. Very short and to the point for this one. And here are some reviews. And I am seeing other people say that they did not get a dust bag as well, and that obviously, like, there should be a dust bag. Because again, some people want this as an item to keep for a while. So they do like to have a dust bag and put it in there. Okay, so here is a vertical video of me with the bag on. Now the Lana Shoulder Bag 19 is growing on me. But again, I'm still very on the fence. I definitely do not think that this bag is personally for me. I think that I have a love for tabbies more, but I could see why people would like this style. I think that this is the type of bag where when you kind of walk down the street and you wear it, people are gonna give you compliments and your friends are gonna give you compliments because it is very stylish. And it is very unique in terms of the shape. And might I add that some people might be jealous, and again, this is not sponsored, I'm just saying, like, I genuinely feel like people would probably be jealous seeing it because it is a cute bag. Overall, I think the Lana bag is very cute. I like how small it is. And I do like it better without the strap than I do with the strap. I would like holding on to it. It's just so small, it's so cute, and there is some weight to it actually. It's not insanely light, which personally I like. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more reviews, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon with more videos. Bye!